Men, let's have a real conversation. Do you ever feel like your energy's been slipping? Like your body doesn't bounce back like it used to? Or your confidence just isn't what it once was? You're not alone. As we age, these changes are common, but that doesn't mean you have to accept them. And the solution might not be in an expensive supplement or the newest health trend. It could actually be sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. Hi, I'm Dr. Rabeeca, and today I'm sharing something simple yet powerful. How baking soda, yes, the same one you use for baking, can help support your energy, endurance, and recovery. And it's not hype, it's backed by science. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 3 practical ways to use this humble ingredient to feel more refreshed, balanced, and strong. Before we start, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love hearing from our global community. Chapter 1. Rebalance your body for lasting energy. Over the years, I've spoken with so many men who tell me, I'm eating right, I'm sleeping okay, but I still feel off. Does that sound familiar? What many don't realize is that when your internal pH is off, when the body is too acidic, it can leave you feeling tired, stiff, and slow to recover. Think of your body like a high-performance engine. It needs the right fuel. Too much acidity? The engine sputters. Here's a simple, safe way to support your balance. Mix teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, 2 to 3 times a week. This can help gently balance your pH, support circulation, and recovery, help you wake up refreshed and avoid energy crash. Important: always speak to your doctor before adding anything new to your routine, especially if you're managing health conditions or medications. Chapter 2. A natural boost for digestion and vitality. Let's talk digestion. As men get older, feeling bloated or sluggish after meals becomes more common. But what if the key to feeling lighter and more energized was already in your kitchen? Try this before meals. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar plus teaspoon baking soda in a glass of water. Drink it 15-20 minutes before eating. Here's what it does. Helps your body digest food more efficiently, supports better nutrient absorption, reduces post-meal bloating or heaviness, gives you more energy from the same food. This combination works by creating the right environment in your gut, not too acidic, not too alkaline, just balanced and efficient. Try this for a week and see how your digestion and energy respond. And drop a comment if you've already used something like this. I'd love to hear your story. Chapter 3. Support strength, recovery, and hormonal health. Let's talk about recovery and resilience, especially for men who want to stay strong, active, and sharp. Daily stress, poor sleep, or high-sugar diets can throw off your body's rhythm. But there's a simple morning habit that can help. Try this. Mix teaspoon of baking soda, the juice of half a lemon, and a glass of water. Drink it in the morning before breakfast. This combo helps balance your internal environment, reduce physical tension after workouts, support your body's natural energy and focus. It's not a miracle drink, it's a gentle reset to help your body perform at its best. And for those of you who love staying active, try this after intense exercise. Add 2 cups of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. This helps ease muscle soreness, reduce recovery time, promote relaxation and blood flow. Think of it as a recovery ritual, a small action that leads to bigger results. Bonus tip: a brighter smile for more confidence. Sacrifice starts with how you feel inside and how you show up in the world. For an easy, natural boost, make a simple baking soda paste and brush gently 2 to 3 times a week to help brighten your smile. It's a small step, but one that adds up. Conclusion: it's your time to thrive. Gentlemen, aging doesn't mean losing strength, it means learning how to take care of your body in smarter ways. Whether it's supporting your energy with balance, boosting digestion with natural combos, or helping your body recover and recharge, you already have the tools. It's not about spending a fortune or chasing trends. It's about taking action, starting small, and building new habits that last. If you're ready to feel your best, drop a comment below and type "I'm in." And if this video gave you a new idea or encouragement, like, share, and subscribe to stay part of this growing community of strong, smart, and proactive men. This is Dr. Rabeeca, cheering you on to live with vitality, strength, and clarity every day. I'll see you in the next one.